So we're in Fresno, Sanger, California. We just finished installing a Kohler faucet here in the downstairs bath. Got a full bath, tub shower, toilet, sink. Anyways, it's a Kohler, and this was purchased by the homeowner. So we installed it. Took the old one out with a price fister. And one thing that we're noticing with the water on right now, you can see how low the flow is. And then sporadically the pressure picks up right there. So I don't know if that is something going on with the well. It seems like the pressure is bottoming out and then picking up, like the pump is intermittently going on and off, and maybe even set at the wrong parameters. It should have a low point of 40 psi and a high point of 60, and that there looks like about 20, 15 or 20. So you can see how low it gets right there. And then boom. So I don't know what that is. I don't work on wells, so anyways, the faucet does work. We've run lots of water down it here. When we started taking this apart, it was an all chrome trap that sat in there. This is your trap, and we don't like these because they wear out, they rust, and they're hard to work on. I mean, you can get a new trap, but it actually has plastic back here, and I'm not sure why they went to chrome, but that's a plastic adapter. We tried to take this arm out, it won't move, so what we did is we just left the metal portion in place, and then a little extension of plastic to it up here because the tail piece off the sink wasn't long enough to reach. So we like to replace as much as we can, but that wouldn't come out. So that's your trap, that's our plastic extension, and then that's part of your faucet that was installed. Back here we give you two connectors, hot 3/8 by half by 20-inch fluid master, braided stainless steel connector. Same thing on the cold side. So those are new, and then those are your shutoff valves back there, existing. I don't see any leaking at the packing nuts, so that's good. Hot and cold. Yeah, so that looks good. And then a little water right there. Make sure that this is not leaking. And don't see any water. Don't see any water on anything. So, anyways, if this gives you trouble, like I say, this whole thing you'd have to try and cut it out, and it's so close. The plastic is glued on right there. Just a little piece of pipe left, so a little fussy, but could be done. So if this thing starts leaking, you see there's some corrosion right there, the rust. So if it does start leaking, let us know and we'll come out and try and do something with this. But for right now, we can't get that out of there, so we're just going to leave it in place. Outside of that, this installation is done.